Hi there. What competitors don't want you to know about how to get needed engine performance parts at a reasonable price. If you are interested in getting your needed engine performance parts at a reasonable price, then here's a maintain your race engine tip for you. The bottom line of this tip is how to best maintain your engine. Keep your race engine optimized for success. You will then significantly increase your chances for a win. If you properly maintain and optimize your engine, your vehicle will perform at peak levels, which is required to even begin thinking about succeeding. Check out our performance parts store, which has everything that you need to elevate your vehicle to the status of a monster racing machine. If you're a mechanic and still have questions, Use Basic Motorsports Performance Parts Store will provide you with everything that you need for your racing beast. You can get all the details for free here at usebasicmotorsports.com/blog. Thank you.